Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you a very cool video, and that is finally I got my Galaxy Active2. This is the Galaxy Watch Active2, and I'm really curious to see if this will be better than my current Galaxy Watch. I really have loved this watch and I really like it, but I do like the different style that this watch brings. So I'm gonna test it out, and I did pre-order, which means I also get this wireless charging battery pack. It is a 7.5 watt wireless charger and a 15 watt regular charge if you plug in. So pretty okay charging. It's not the best one out there, I would say, but if you are coming from Samsung, I think it will do well. Although again, I like fast chargers. I like charges up to 25 watt now when I'm looking at my battery packs, and 10 watt wireless. So I will have to see if this gets in my rotation. But without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. Now, I'm really curious if there's been any change to the chargers for the watch. I really do charge it with my dual charger, so I haven't. Wow. Okay. So I really do like the design. The circular design is very good on this one. I like the all black too. I really do like that. I feel like I'm gonna change the band almost immediately. It's a very cheap feeling band. I get it, it's for active wear, but I feel like this belongs with a more premium brand. I feel like if I put a leather strap on there or something like that, it'll look really nice and go very well with it. Now, in terms of everything else, let's see. You know, I'm really getting tired of manufacturers not including the power brick in the watches. I don't think that's okay, and I feel like too many of them are doing that. So you have this one right here to actually charge your watch, and let's see how strong. It's not the strongest one, but let me take off this first and see if that kind of gets it a little bit better strength. But off my first impressions, it is definitely one of the weaker magnetic chargers. So just know that just not that good when it comes to connecting to it. I will again just probably use my dual charger that I have for my Galaxy phone and my Galaxy Watch. Just it's better, and this honestly just didn't feel that good in terms of a charger. And here we have the paperwork and just a quick start guide, which again, you should just know that you're going to set it up using the app, and that will do everything for you. So yeah, let me go ahead and set this watch up, and then we'll do a comparison with the Galaxy Watch and with this one. All right, guys, so now we have them set up and you can see them side by side. Couple of tips I want to let you know about is, one, originally it does not come with touch bezel on. So the bezel is what allows you to kind of spin it and basically get everything right away. So you want to turn that on so you know it's useful. That way you can actually spin it to navigate through everything. That is really important, especially when going through things like apps and things like that. It's just a lot easier to do it when moving that way. So that's the first thing I want to let you know about. Then just let's take a look at the Galaxy Watch versus Galaxy Watch Active2, because this is a real big comparison that a lot of people ask about. Which one should I get? And first and foremost, you're going to want to know that this has a longer battery. It also is slightly bigger at 46 millimeter versus 44 millimeter, but they look pretty on par with each other, to be quite honest. It's not too big of a difference, I would say. In terms of thickness, though, I think that's where a lot of people might want to lean towards this one, just because it's definitely going to be a lot thinner in its execution. And in terms of the straps, you now have a 20mm versus a 22mm. So slightly smaller straps. I will be looking up because I don't care for this one. This one feels better quality material than the one that comes with this one. So I do want to change it right away. Overall though, happy with how it looks. I think I'm going to change my watch face. I like it for this one because of the ridges, but I'm going to find a cleaner one for this. Also, you want to make sure if you are moving from an old Samsung watch to a new one, to make sure you go ahead and go to account and backup in your old watch. That way you can set up a backup. So I backed up the data from this watch to restore it to this watch. So I literally have all my watch faces, everything, how I set it up in terms of my widgets on the side are exactly how I had it set up before. So I do love that ability. So definitely you want to make sure to back up and then you can restore everything you had so that you don't have to start fresh. You can actually start from where you left off. But yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Are you thinking about getting the Active2? I'm gonna see how this battery life is. This is the, again, 44mm, which will have longer battery life than the 42mm. So know that, but I'm very curious to see overall how it's going to be and how it's going to be as a wearable. Overall, I like the design. I just have to see, and I'm really kind of, for the first time ever, I'm thinking about getting a glass screen protector. I've never had one, but it's because I've always had this kind of dip in my screen. So now since I don't, I feel like I want to get a screen protector, although I feel that defeats the beautiful aesthetic. Let me know in the comment section, should I get a screen protector, yes or no? Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.